From rain to wind to lightning, spring is definitely in full swing here in Oklahoma. But when it comes to severe weather season, you may have noticed it's been a little quieter than normal.
March had colder temperatures east of the Rockies, and that similar pattern appears to have continued through April as well. And at times is that kind of weather or those kind of patterns are more conducive to snowfall, but not tornadoes.
Many have compared this season to 2005 and 2010, and in those years, they doubled their April tornado totals in May. But can we expect that increase this year?
It's really hard to compare from one year to another because the weather pattern is a very fluid thing, and how it evolves one year may not necessarily give any indications of how it evolves in another year.
But we do know the facts. We usually see more tornadoes across the U.S. by the beginning of May.
Looking at just preliminary numbers, we're at 227 through April 26, and that's lower than what we would normally expect by late April.
In fact, averaging the past 8 years, we should have seen over 500 tornadoes by this time of year. But meteorologists emphasize that this can quickly change.
Even though it's quiet, don't necessarily be lulled into the sense that it's just going to be a down year, because it could definitely increase in mid to late May.
It only takes about 2 to 3 days for the environment or for the air mass or atmosphere to become conducive to produce tornadoes.
So it is important to note that, regardless of the trends, averages, and comparisons, severe weather can strike at any time throughout the year, any year. So always be prepared. Katie Western, OU Nightly.